All right, it's time to check in with Ed once again, coming to us from Camp Barnard in Souk. Weather is always fine. Ed, tell us more.
Yeah. Well, they don't call it sunny Souk for nothing. We had a little bit of sunshine here for a while. We also had very heavy rain on the way out here today. So, it's very unstable. Lots of rain, lots of showers, and lots of cold air in our forecast. We're going to get to that in a second. This is what a setting this is. Camp Barnard here. They're celebrating the 50th anniversary of the Beaver Scouts tonight. We're going to be talking about that. We're going to be burying a time capsule here. But this is a remarkable facility, and we'll learn more about that as we carry on. But in the meantime, a few sprinkles showing up here right now. Let's take a look at the futurecast and see what's coming our way. And we just have a series of frontal bands. They're all kind of weak systems, but the combination of that and then that cold air, that jet stream again is still pretty droopy, and so we're starting to see some of that Arctic air pull down. So our high temperatures at best are going to be between 6 and 8 when we should be around 10. And wet flurries again off the North Island through tomorrow morning. We could see a little mix of showers and snow mixed in there to start the day. The blue snow that you see on that futurecast shot right now over the Kootenays in Alberta. There's a winter storm warning up there for the Paulson Pass there, right out into Alberta. They're expecting snow for Edmonton and Calgary in the next day and a half here from that system. So that's where that's going. Where we're going is all going to be showers for the most part and occasional sunshine through the afternoon tomorrow. So let's take a look at things for the next 24 hours from top to bottom. Rain tonight for the North Island, and again, a chance of some of that rain being wet flurries over the high spots. It gets down to freezing tonight, so there's your cold air mass right there. High temperatures tomorrow at best about 6, shower chance still about 70%, and again, early morning possible snow and rain mixes there for the high elevation points of the North Island. On to the west side now. Tonight we're down to 1 here, a 40% shower chance. Fog tonight here. The Alberni Valley, pretty similar, down around the freezing mark. So a cold night tonight for sure. High temperatures tomorrow between 7 and 8. Showers on and off, and then a few breaks of sunshine occasionally as well. Off to the East Island, Comox Valley and Campbell River, down around the 2-degree mark tonight. Some fog and some light showers in there for you. Same deal for Nanaimo, Parksville, Ladysmith, down into Duncan. About 1 for the overnight low tonight under a clear sky. No shower chance there. But fog will build in tonight and again tomorrow morning. Should see high temperatures around 6 degrees tomorrow. Afternoon showers coming for the most part, and a few breaks of sunshine in there as well. So kind of a classic unsettled look there for Thursday. Down to Greater Victoria, we're expecting about 2 at best for our low here tonight, so it'll dip for us as well. So some of that cold air coming into play tonight for us. So we get down to that 2-degree mark. It's a foggy night tonight and a foggy start to the day tomorrow morning before we see some breaks of sunshine here and there. But by tomorrow afternoon, we're back into some showers, and that's going to be the setup for a showery pattern as we head into the end of the week and into the weekend. We'll tell you more about that in our 7-day forecast. But first, here's the BC map where we're showing snow up in Whistler for tomorrow. A few centimeters there, about a 2-degree high, 8 in a mix and a few showers into Vancouver, showers on and off and a few breaks of sunshine for Kamloops and Kelowna, and in Prince George getting occasional flurries at -3. Winter storm warning up, as I said there, for Highway 3, Paulson out to the Kootenay Pass. It could be as much as 20 to 30 centimeters of snow by Friday morning through that section there, so it's going to be quite the snow event should all of that develop. Across into the map of Canada here, 10 to 15 centimeters of snow into Edmonton for tomorrow. It's a -4-degree high. Snow also building into Calgary for tomorrow. Snow and ice pellets mixed in for Saskatoon at -2, and a couple of centimeters of snow coming for Winnipeg at +1 at best as well. So some real-time winter through the west there for sure. Out to Toronto, nice and sunny and 8 degrees, 4 in the sunshine for Ottawa. Fredericton getting a 0-degree high, but a good sun-filled day. And then St. John's also in for some snow. 5 to 10 centimeters is possible there. All right, to the 777's extended forecast we go, and we see that chance of wet flurries tomorrow, 70%, and then showers after that. So it's a 6-degree high at best for Thursday. A little warmer Friday, a little brighter. Nice mix of sun and cloud, and 8 degrees before the rain pulls back in for Saturday and Sunday. Only 6 and 7-degree highs there. Unsettled again for Monday, and again that chance of a shower or flurry mixed together coming in for Tuesday there for the North Island. Here's the Central Island. Shower chance at 70%, a mix of sun and cloud on a high of 6, and then a rain day Friday. Showers into both the weekend days, Saturday and Sunday. 8s and 9s for highs. 9s on the way for Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday looks dry. Overnight lows dipping down about 1 for Monday and Tuesday for the Central. Now the South Island. So tomorrow we'll see occasional showers here and there, occasional breaks of sunshine. So just kind of a classic unsettled day with that temperature about 3 degrees below where it should be. Friday is a showery 7-degree day. So we're below there. We're below on the the weekend, and we're wet on the weekend. Both Saturday and Sunday, we'll have showers Sunday, rain Saturday, and a shower chance, and a high of 10. Back to normal there for Monday. All right, here's our celebrations tonight for Country Grocer. Not a whole lot of them tonight, just 3. We have an anniversary for Patricia and Wilf Hatch. Happy 60th to you in the Nanaimo. And a happy 92nd birthday to Eve Cox over on Gabriel Island. And one more birthday, Benny Benuin turning 95 today in Nanaimo. So happy 95th to you, Benny. All right, as promised, here are the flower count final numbers in from the 50th anniversary of the Great Victoria Flower Count. Hard to believe we've been going 50 years with this, but here come the numbers. The bloomingness class. This goes to Kate Mole's class at Margaret Jenkins Elementary. 11,638,248,508 blooms. Does that sound like your visa bill, Jeff? Here's the bloomingness school. So that will be Margaret Jenkins. So that's a win for them. They've done very well, I think, over the years on the flower count. So congratulations to Margaret Jenkins and the class of Ms. Mall. And here is the total bloom count for 2025. 44,6,225,366. Give or take. You got to say give or take, Stacy, because it's not an exact science, but pretty close.
Pretty impressive, nonetheless, Ed. Thanks so much.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
I can see there's some action happening behind you there at Camp Barnard. So
yeah,
we'll be back and find out what's going on in a little bit. Jeff King is coming up next with the Upside. Stay